What's the meaning of brutal? Brutal. Brutal.
Brutal. Brutal. Brutal means extremely cruel, violent or harsh. When something is described as brutal, it implies that it causes a lot of suffering and pain. The result of a brutal act can be devastating and sometimes irreversible. It can leave physical and emotional scars, and may have long-term consequences on individuals and communities. Brutality can manifest in various forms, such as physical violence, psychological abuse, systemic oppression, wars, and natural disasters. In essence, anything that causes significant harm or suffering can be considered brutal, and it is important to work towards creating a more compassionate and empathetic world.